Well, hello there, YouTube. I think I turned everything on today. The Senna backpack on and my Senna headsets on. I think I got everything on. I took off the, I had some filters, the darker filters on the GoPro. And I took them off because every time I check out the videos, they're all hazy. Even with those really dark number 8 filter on there, the photos are just completely hazy. So I think the GoPro's kind of trying to make up for how dark it is and brightening it up. Oh, that time of night, busy night, trying to get on this street. Anyway, I just changed my oil. I always use Rotella T6 5W40, works perfect in the Goldwing. Change the filter, grease the front U-joint, grease the bottom U-joint. So we're all ready to go on a trip in a couple weeks. We should be all set. Get to finally use the trailer with the air shocks on. I'm kind of hopefully they don't lose air. They shouldn't. It should ride really smooth now, though. I mean, it does, because I already stuck the Sessinge on the back of it once and it rode super duper smooth. So gonna be fun. Wife's even looking forward to it a little bit. I get some gas and maybe ride out that way. I brought the drone with me. I might give that a spin somewhere. Don't know where. Anyway, I'll turn this off because I'm just staring at the back of cars. Anyway, bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. It's the same night. And I'm just out for a spin. It's a pretty area right here. You can see, I don't know if you can see the view. But anyway, I said I changed my oil. I change my oil like every 4,000 miles. It gets dirty. I can tell as soon as I change it, the engine just runs so much. It just feels smoother. It shifts smoother. I just like a clean oil. Anyway, it should be pretty going this way. Kind of a nice night. It's only 88, so it's still a little warm. But pretty nice. I'm getting so excited to take our trip, man. I really look forward to these big motorcycle vacations. I just absolutely love it. To me, it's just so exciting and such an adventure and such a journey. You run into different kinds of weather, and it's just all part of the excitement. Just bring all the right gear where you can, gear up for hot, gear up for cold, gear up for rain, and you're fine. But I just love it. It's exciting for me just to take off and just go and not have to turn around and come home, which is incredible. Anyway, bye.
What?